Here children, we are going to learn the first problem, chapter 4, practical geometry, exercise 4.1. Construct the following quadrilateral ABCD. AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD is equal to 4 centimeter, AD is equal to 6 centimeter and AC is equal to 7 centimeter. First, draw the rough sketch of quadrilateral ABCD and mark the measurement on it. Use the ruler to draw the rough sketch. You can draw any type of quadrilateral as a rough figure. Quadrilateral is nothing but a four-sided figure. Okay. So now we are having the rough sketch of the quadrilateral A, B, C and D. And mark the measurement on it. AB is equal to 4 centimeter. I am just marking the measurement on it. 4.5 centimeter. BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter. CD is equal to 4 centimeter. AD is equal to 6 centimeter. Now AC is equal to 7 centimeter. See, here we are having the AC, but we have to join the two vertex. Then we are having the line segment AC as 7 centimeter. By using of this rough figure, we have to draw the main picture. We may divide quadrilateral ABCD into two triangles, namely triangle ABC and triangle ADC. We can divide the quadrilateral into two triangles. First triangle as ABC and the second triangle as ACD. Okay. So now the step of construction. Draw the line segment. You can draw any line segment. By that we can able to find the quadrilateral. Okay. We can able to construct the quadrilateral. First I draw the AC line. Okay. So by using of the ruler, just draw the AC with the 7 centimeter as the measurement. Okay. Now 7 centimeter. I just draw the line segment AC as 7 centimeter. Draw the line segment AC as 7 centimeter. A, C, 7 centimeter. Okay. Now in the top I am having one triangle and the bottom I am having one triangle, and the middle AC is the common line for both the triangles. Yes. With center A and the radius as 4.5 centimeter, draw an arc on one side of AC. Yes. Now I have to find the B. So that I am using the compass to draw the arc of AC. AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter. By that I just take the ruler and the compass. Fix the needle at O, extend the pencil tip till 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Now I am having the measurement 4.5 centimeter in the compass. In the bottom only I am having the B. So that I fix the needle at A and draw one arc. Yes. This is the arc. Okay. With the 4.5 centimeter. With A as center. With the center C and radius of 5.5 centimeter. Yes. With the center C and radius to 5.5 centimeter, draw another arc intersecting the previous arc at B. Now listen, from C to B I am having 5.5 centimeter. Now again I am taking the ruler and the compass and keep the pointer, that means needle point, at 0 and extend till 5.5 centimeter. Now I am having the measurement of 5.5 centimeter in the compass. Now fix at C and draw another arc which cut the previous arc. See, here the two arcs are intersecting each other. Yes, two arcs are intersecting each other at the point, so that intersecting point is called B. Now join A and B and B and C. Yes, for the variation I am using different colors, while in the geometry note you have to use only the pencil. Okay, for AB as 4.5 centimeter and BC as 5.5 centimeter. Okay, now I finished the bottom triangle. Now I have to proceed the same procedure for the top triangle. Okay, so again I am just going to choose 6 centimeter in the compass, the measurement of 6 centimeter, so that keep the needle at 0, extend the pen tip till 6 centimeter. Yes, 6 centimeter I am having, so that keep the needle at A and we are going to find the D point. Yes, am I right? Yes, I need to find the D point now. Now C to D I am having 4 centimeter. So again I have to take the measurement of 4 centimeter in the compass, so that I have to fix the needle at 0 and extend the pencil tip till 4 centimeter. Now I am having the measurement of 4 centimeter in the compass. Now fix the needle at C and draw another arc. See, here the arcs doesn't cut each other, so that I have to extend this arc. So see, for AAD as 6 centimeter, no, so you just want to extend that arc which have to cut each other, no, so that keep the needle at A and draw the arc. Okay, see, now the arc are intersecting each other, so that intersecting point as D. Now join A and D, C and D. Mark the measurement 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Yes, so here ABC is the required triangle. Yes, or you understand, children? I hope you can able to draw the quadrilateral in your own. Thank you.